Hey guys, so I thought it was time to bring you another Boxycharm unboxing. I feel like I don't do these very often, but I'd like to do them more. So this is the March box from Boxycharm, and it's just the standard box. It's not the luxe box, not the premium box, just the standard box. So if you guys would like to see what's inside my March box, just keep watching. Okay, ready? Let's open it up together. First thing in here is Sutra Beauty mini ceramic curling iron with cool tip in pastel yellow. Okay, so maybe we'll try this at the end. Next in here is from Pharmacy. It says a limited edition very cherry clean makeup melt away cleansing balm. I believe I've used Pharmacy's other cleansing balm and I remember liking it. I don't use cleansing balms often, but I don't know, does this one have a smell? Comes with a little spatula inside. Oh, that smells really good. Now I don't want to take my makeup off just yet because the day is not done. So I will try this another time and leave a little note down here what I think of this, but it smells really good right off the bat. Something wrapped in bubble wrap in here. There's no card in this month's box, so I don't know the prices of things. This is from Hank & Henry. It says Living in Color Palette. Oh, nice. So I think we should try this today because I don't have any eye makeup on today. Okay, it's pretty bulky packaging. It reminds me of like the Benefit bronzer boxes. Kind of like all cardboard and more packaging than it needs to be perhaps. Inside you get a nice large mirror, and then these are the shades you get in the eyeshadow palette. 5 shimmery metallic shades and 5 matte shades, and my blue shade is already chipped. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. That's how it came. So let's swatch a couple and then we'll play with them. So I decided to swatch 3 of the metallics and 2 of the matte shades. So here is the first metallic. Okay, it's like a purple and pink duochrome. Like a red, pink, orange trichrome. Green and brown perhaps. We have a matte shade and another matte shade. So the mattes look nice. I mean, they look decent. The metallics don't look like blinding, but they look nice. And yes, I'm wearing an Olaf sweatshirt that was Christmas clearance, and it's just really comfy and soft. This palette smells like that paste that you used to get in like a dip jar in like preschool. Doesn't smell very good. Oh, it really stinks. Oof. I feel like I always get a bald patch of color right here. I don't know what that is. Anyone else get that? Like one patch of eye that color just doesn't like to stick to? That's really pretty. I like that. Okay, that works. Like the teal pop, it's like subtle but still there. I think this is really nice actually. Colors in here are very, very, very pigmented. The metallics, especially when you use a damp brush, are amazing, creamy, foiled. So I like it so far, so let me hop off, add a little mascara, and move on to the other items in the box. Okay, so I went ahead and added a little bit of the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. I think the eyes look really nice, really pretty actually. The next item in the box is a gloss. This is, it says it is Vintage by Jessica Libeskind. I don't know, I've never heard of this brand at all. And it just looks like a light pink shimmery gloss. I already have a lip liner on, so let's see what this looks like on top. Oh, it's like one of those like paintbrush wand things. I don't like these applicators. No smell that I can tell so far. It's very glossy. It's almost oily feeling, like a lip oil. No taste. So it's fine. It's just a little bit more greasy and slick feeling than I'm used to in a gloss. I really like the Becca glosses. I like the Smashbox Gloss Angeles glosses. I like the Buxom lip polish glosses. There's one from e.l.f. that I like. I don't like ones that are super oily and slick, and I don't like ones that are super thick and goopy. Somewhere in the middle. It's pretty. I don't really feel like it adds any shimmer or color. It's pretty much just going to look like a clear gloss on the lips. So it's okay, but again, I don't have a price tag. I don't have any information on this. So that leads me to the last item in this box, which is Beauty Project Hair Gurt. An intense repair yogurt hair mask. And obviously this is not something that I can try on camera. It just says, did someone call for a hair rescue? This creamy, rich treatment with yogurt powder, prebiotics, quinoa, our botanical oil blend, and shea butter, specifically formulated to help repair damaged, fragile, and brittle hair. Now let's do this. Now, I do have that. So I'll be curious to try this out in the future. It's sealed, so I don't want to open it just yet to see what it smells like, but this is the last item in this month's Boxycharm. So now let's turn this bad boy on and see what we think of this little mini curling iron. Comes a little drawstring pouch. Okay, so it says it's a curling iron. This is definitely a curling wand. This is the brand of the hair straightener that I currently have and I do like, so hopefully I also like this little mini curling iron. Curling wand. It's really not a curling iron, guys. This is a curling wand. Curling irons have like clamps. So I plugged it in, and you do have to turn it on, so it's not going to be an automatic heating thing. So we'll give this a minute. It does have a little rusting thing here so that it is not actually touching your table, which is nice, or your surface. Okay, so the curling wand is warm, so let's see how easily this will curl the pieces in the front. Obviously, I have longer hair, so I would need like a larger wand, but we'll just see how it works on the pieces in the front. Usually only have to wait a couple seconds, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release. Yep. It's gonna work just fine if you have shorter hair. Like I said, I have long hair, so it's gonna take me forever to do my whole head of hair with something like this. But if you're traveling and you just want something kind of small that you can take with you, or if you want something that'll just do like looser, beachier curls like this, you don't have to leave them on as long. So this will give you the effect that you want without having to do your entire head of hair. So you can kind of see you can get like looser curls or you can get tighter curls. And if you want them looser, you can always just brush them out and they will kind of loosen up quite a bit. So this definitely works. It's small, it's compact, has an on and off button, which I like. It also has a little stand, which I also appreciate. Those are features that my current one from Pretty Young Things does not have. So I do like those two features of this mini curling wand. It is not a curling iron though, so please don't be misled by this. It's a curling wand. All right, so all in all, my thoughts on this Boxycharm box. I'm not super happy with this box. I don't need any more cleansers. I have 1,000,001 cleansers. I don't need any more hair masks. I have 1,000,001 hair masks. I'm not really a lip gloss person, and I've never heard of this brand. I like having a little mini travel size curling wand, but it's not going to be very practical for someone with longer hair. So it's nice, but the only thing from this box that I'm really excited about is the Hank & Henry Living in Color palette. I didn't know that I was getting this, and I didn't even know that this existed, but now that I have it, these shades are beautiful, and I really love the end look that I came up with these colors. Do I have palettes with similar shades already? I probably do. Like, I'm sure I have like a warm red, a brown, an orange, and some metallic shades in a palette. That's not revolutionary. but they blended out really well. The end look was really pretty, so I am happy with this palette. So overall, is it one of the best boxes I've received from Boxycharm? I would say no. I've definitely had better months where there was more makeup and less like skincare, hair care products. I definitely prefer them heavier on the makeup side, lighter on the skincare, hair care, lotion side. So those are my thoughts. Hope you guys enjoyed the March Boxycharm unboxing. If you did enjoy, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.